Welcome to another WoodPal tutorial. In this tutorial, I will present the way to prepare your single multi-page downloadable PDF project file. Start by creating and printing out all of the documents that will be included in the PDF file. This includes the following: a full-page feature picture of your project, a list of all materials required to build the project. I recommend that you include an internet link for those materials that the builder may not have or know where to get. Since these internet links are static, I send another materials list via email so the builder has executable internet links once they purchase the plans. A list of all the tools required to build the project, building instructions if necessary, all the patterns that the builder will need to build the project. For those projects where accuracy is critical, like kinetic projects with gears, that each page of your pattern include a 1-inch reference square so the builder will know that the pattern printed out correctly. Pictures of your project during construction, variations in finishing it, or various views of the project which saves instruction text where applicable. I suggest that you keep all of these documents in a project folder on your computer. All you have to do now is to create a multi-page PDF of all those pages. I use ViewScan software for this purpose. We will be able to generate this file for you free of charge if you send the documents to projects@woodpal.com. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Watch for other WoodPal tutorials for more information.